How to keep your car looking like it's been professionally detailed, but without the cost. Cars can be so hard to keep clean, especially if you have kids. So today I am sharing 10 of my favorite tips and tricks for not only cleaning the car, but keeping it clean as well. And I'm throwing in a couple of my favorite car accessories while we're at it. Now, as always, everything will be linked in the description below. I will also pin them to the comments, or they're at the QR code on the screen. Let's just jump right into it. Okay, kicking it off. Number one is this multi-purpose cleaning spray by Chemical Guys. They have great products for cleaning your car, but I love this because it's truly multi-purpose. One cleaner can do it all. I pair it with a microfiber cloth and you can spray your dashboard, your glass and mirrors, your steering wheel, your seats, your navigation screen. It is safe to use all over the inside of your car. One cleaner gets it done and it cleans and protects. So definitely a really good one to have on hand for quick and easy cleaning of your car interior. Number two is a good car vacuum. Now, for the longest time, I just kept a rechargeable cordless vacuum cleaner in my car. But guess what? Every time I went to go use it, it was dead and needed charge. So I like these car vacuums so much better because they have a cord and it plugs into what I'm gonna call the cigarette lighter of your car. So they can't be used anywhere else. They are meant just for the car, but I love it because then you have it right then and there on hand. If there's a mess, you can quickly clean it, and that's gonna prevent the mess from getting bigger down the road. And the suction is good. It has a 15-foot cord that's gonna stretch from the front of your car all the way to the back so you can clean all over. It has attachments for getting down in between seats or just in the crevices of seats. I cannot recommend these enough, and because it doesn't have to be recharged, it's going to work every time you need it. Number three are these detailing sticks. Now, you can use these all over your home. In fact, I highly recommend every home has these because as you see in the video, they have a ton of uses, not just for the car, but they are great at really detailing your car, getting into the seams and the grooves of like your console or just all over, anywhere where that dust just accumulates and it's so hard to get it out any other way, like by hand or with a spray. These little picks allow you to really dig out the dirt and just give it such a good, thorough, deep clean. And then sort of along the same lines as the detailing picks is the detailing gel. I'm sure you've seen this before. This is so nice, just again, for all those hard to reach areas and really getting into the grooves of things and getting rid of dust and dirt because it just is gonna cling right to it. So you can roll this all over your car, picking up that dirt and dust. And then the nice thing is you can reuse it until it just gets so dirty and then toss the whole thing. Or what I like to do is sort of just pull off a chunk and use one chunk at a time and, you know, use it, get it really dirty, toss it, but then the rest of the container stays clean. And then next time I just rip off a little chunk. So I use it that way, or you could use the whole blob and then just put it back. And once it's really dirty, discard the whole thing. Okay, and one more little detailing gadget just to get into those grooves that are so hard to clean, because I feel like that's what ends up making our cars look dirtier than they are. So detailing brushes. So you could do the picks, you could do the gel, or you can get these. And these are nice just to really like dust out, again, the grooves or just anywhere where like the dust and debris likes to settle. Now these come with different bristle types. Some are softer than others, some are a little more firm. I have a friend that details cars and I've seen him use these in the inside, but also on the tires. You could use it around hubcaps and things like that. So they have a lot of usage. You can use them dry or wet. Now, number six, I will say when it comes to cleaning the outside of my car, I am team car wash, but if ever I'm going to clean it by hand, then I love to use any style of Chenille microfiber. I just feel like the little scrubbers just do a really good job at scrubbing off, you know, bird droppings or insect guts and things like that. So it just gives a little more deeper of a clean than just a regular rag. You can use this obviously with soap and water. Now this one here that I have, what I love about it is it can fit onto an extended pole that it comes with, which makes it really easy to get the roof, or you can take it off and make it handheld, which makes it really easy to clean your windows and doors and things like that. But no matter what you go with, if you're gonna clean the outside of your car by hand, I definitely recommend a Chenille microfiber. Okay, number seven, let's talk our seats. Obviously, if you have upholstered seats like fabric, you could use just a vacuum on that. And then if they're stained, you could just use a good carpet and upholstery cleaner. I love the Shark Stain Striker for this. It's a good portable size unit, works wonders at removing stains. If you have leather, obviously you are going to want a good leather cleaner and polish. I recently got this one. This is recommended by Good Housekeeping, which if something has the Good Housekeeping stamp of approval, you know it's good. I recently got it. I've tried it a couple times. So far, so good. So just make sure you have a good leather cleaner and polish, and it's really gonna make such a difference in like cleaning your leather and allowing it to shine. And this kit will actually also come with a like leather restorer almost to help if you have any cracks or discoloration as well. I have not used that yet because my leather is not in that kind of shape, but so far I really like the cleaner. Number 8, these are my favorite trash bags to keep in a car. I love these because they're nice and skinny. They just hang over the back of your seat and they really hold a lot before you have to throw one out. So there's multiple in here. And so you just tear like the first one open, have it ready to go. You can fill it up, and then when it's full, you tear it off. It has a sticky tab so you can close it, toss it, and then the next bag is there ready to go. So there's a lot of different trash cans for cars out there, but these are my favorite. Number 9, now I said that obviously I like the Chemical Guy spray for just a multi-purpose spray in the inside of your car, but if you want something you can keep in your car for maybe when you're sitting at a red light and you notice like your navigation screen is dirty or a spot on your window, I love these little spray bottles that actually have like a felt outside. So the spray is there, you just spray and then you use the actual bottle to wipe it. So again, good for your navigation screen, really when you're on the go. This is more for when you just need to do quick little spot cleaning. The Chemical Guy spray I would use for an all over deep clean. And then sort of along those same lines, if you're at a red light and you notice like, oh, there's a little dust or something in the grooves here and I can't get it out, then they make this little detailing brush. Of course, I got it because I love the bling. It's so soft, but this makes it easy just to keep it in your console. You're sitting at a red light, you're stuck in traffic, you're looking around your car, you notice something's dusty and dirty. You can take this and just, you know, get into the grooves and clean it really quickly. Again, when you're gonna do a deeper clean, use the gel or the picks or the detailing brushes, but for really quick cleans, maybe when you're out and about and on the go, this little brush is so cute. Okay, and then let's talk to some of my favorite car accessories. So first up, these little blind spot mirrors. I of course did a heart, but I know they come in different shapes as well, but you stick these onto your side mirror and it makes it easier to see blind spots. Sometimes, you know, we don't have our side mirror maybe angled just right and you still have that blind spot there. Now I know cars are becoming so sophisticated and they beep and tell us whenever there's something there, but I still like to be able to see it. So I find that adding this little mirror onto my side mirror just helps give me more range so I can see that blind spot better. Number 12, because I love bling, it's just all the blingy fun car accessories. Everything from a little circle that goes around your push button start to a chapstick holder. There's little things you can stick into the vents. I love this registration booklet that can hold like your AAA car, your registration, important documents that you need to keep in your glove box. Just all the little accessories and fun touches. I am here for them. And then speaking of bling, the Bling Sting. This is one of those devices that can cut a seatbelt or break glass. So I like to keep mine on my visor. That's where it's recommended to keep it so it's easy to grab quickly if you need it. This is one of those things hopefully we would never need to use, but you would be very happy to have it in case of an emergency. So I wanted to share and it's cute. And then you know I love my retractable car charger by Listen. Now these come in multiple colors. And what I love about this is that you don't have loose charging cords all around your car because whenever you're done, it just retracts right back inside. So it keeps it nice and tidy. And not only does it come with 2 different charging cords, you can really charge any style of phone, but then there's open ports as well, so you can charge other devices too. For loose change, I love this little change holder. It's perfect because it holds all types of coins. Sometimes you're running around, running errands, maybe you don't have your wallet on you. This way you would have coins ready to go, or if you have toll booths or anything, I don't know, do things still take change these days? I'm sure everything's electronic, but sometimes you do need change on the go. So it's just a good way to have it all in one spot and not lose throughout a console. And then lastly, in terms of tissues in your car, I love the cylinder style canisters because they just fit in the side of the door and you can easily put one in the, you know, the little holder of every door so everybody has some tissues on hand. And that's it, just some of my favorite car accessories, things that help make it easy to keep a car clean. If you have any to add, please let me know in the comments below. And again, everything is linked in the description, pinned to the comments, or at the QR code on the screen, and I will see you in my next video.